Hello my friends, now it is time to replace the brake houses on my car. 22 years old car with still factory brake houses. It is not a good decision and I decided to upgrade the regular rubber brake houses with the stainless steel ones. I have bought this set from Germany, from Probrake. This is new brand for me. They gave me a very good discount and I decided to try. I will additionally report how they will perform when I install them on my car and share with you my experience. But on this stage, let's see what was in the packaging. These are all the flyers and all the tool approvals I have here. I don't need them on in my country, but this is a not big deal and big problem. Very big thanks from me to them for such attention. And also we have the list of Mercedes-Benz cars which are suitable for this type of brake houses. Also the lovely stickers which I will use in my garage. Many thanks to the Probrake for me for such good packaging with a lot of items. Now guys, let's see the brake houses detail. We have 4 in the package, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. Here you can see these are for E430, the part number, and the color is the blue. I decided to go with the blue ones because I'm running H&R lowering springs on my car, which are also colored in blue, and this will be a very good match between springs and brake houses. From the first view and first feel, they are made very good. Here we have some washers, but I don't know why I will need or will not need them. I will try when I will install and make the DIY about it. Let's see how the rear brake houses look. Here you can see the fittings are machined and made very well. Stainless steel fittings with the rubber buttons where the part numbers are included, and also the Probrake logos are stamped, and 2 heads which will attach on the brake caliper themselves. The styling and the design is very good. Also they are enough heavy in my hand, and I like also how the design is made. I mean the tubes itself, they are not enough stiff, but they are well made, guys. And the same story with the front ones. In overall, very flexible, but enough strong to hold the heavy duty use. Some guys tempt that the brake houses will allow you to improve some brake feeling on your car. Let's see this. I will try it and report my experience after using it. Now, if we compare these brake houses with the regular rubber brake house, here you can see that the rubber brake house is not as attractive as the stainless steel one, and also the rubber brake house I have here is old, and it is good decision to replace them with the upgraded stainless steel ones. I can see here that the stainless steel one is a little bit shorter. These are for front brake system, and the stainless steel one is a little bit smaller in diameter. In some situations some guys say that this small diameter allows the brake fluid to work with the high tension and it improves the brake pedal feeling. Let's try it. Otherwise, I like these brake houses very much. There were many alternatives even from Germany, but this brand Probrake was the first which answered my several questions. Once again, they gave me very good discount, and I decided to go and buy the stuff from them. Guys, you will need some 40mm open-end wrench or the brake bleeder type wrench to remove these houses from the car, especially to remove them from the caliper. In this situation, you can also use some Knipex. This type of pliers, these are adjustable wrench pliers. They will grab very good here and will not allow you to damage anything when you will work on your brake system. Very soon I will do DIY how I will replace them. Once again, thumbs up and big thanks to this company. I will write down the name of them and the website of them. Anybody who will be interested can access on this resource without any restrictions here. I recommend this stuff on this stage, but once again, how they will perform in long-term or short-term driving and usage, I will inform you lately. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. I appreciate your support very much. Thumbs up. Many thanks to you for watching, and see you in the next videos.